Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy here. Is it raining at your house? Is it raining at your house? Can you not go out and play? Freddy can't play either, and he's really sad. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Freddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And my friends want to play too. Well, guess what? We're going to make a rain stick today. That sounds like rain. It's going to be really fun. Oh, look, Freddy's excited about it. So you know what we did first? Boy, Freddy, I'm not sure if I can hold you and do this, but we're going to try it. So we took some white rice and we took some food coloring. But you don't even have to change the color of the rice if you don't want to. But it's very easy. You just drop a couple drops of food coloring in there. And wear gloves or have your mommy or daddy or your parent help you. Okay, so we're going to zip the Ziploc bag up and shake it around. See, we made it blue. So you can put more food coloring and change it around. And then we took a water bottle and we drank the water out of it already. And then we took some snowballs, they're really cotton balls, and we put them inside. It's really fun to put them inside. You can do it. I know you can. You could even count them when you're putting them in there. 1, 2, and we put some sticks. They're really Q-tips. We put some sticks in there. It's going to make it fun for the rain has to go around all these different things. Okay, and let's put some more snowballs in there. Ooh, it's really fun. You can put as many as you want. And then after you get it all full with sticks and snowballs, okay, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to put a funnel in there. You can just make a funnel out of some paper if you don't have a funnel at your house. And then we're going to pour the rice in there. Let's see if we can do this with Freddy. Freddy's really trying to help. He likes to do all these activities. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, here it goes. It's pouring in. Oops, I got to open the rice more. Oh, it's fun, isn't it, Freddy? You're real excited. Okay, here we go. Let's get, ooh, we don't want it to fall over. Uh-oh, it's not going in. Let's shake it. There it goes. Ooh, look at that, Freddy. It's so excited. We're putting the rice in our jar, in our bottle. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Freddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go. Well, it looks like they're stuck in there. So we're going to have to pour them out and do some more over. Okay, so pour those out, and then we'll try a few more, and then we're going to put the lid on it. Ooh, there goes some more there. Okay, here we go. Ooh, we got more in there. Hear it going in? Sounds like rain when it does that. Okay, and then you put the lid on it, like this. Put it on very tight. And if you want to, if you don't want the lid to ever come off again, you can glue it on. Okay. Listen to that. Doesn't that sound like rain? Isn't that fun? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Freddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. That was a fun activity. I hope you do it at your house. Stay dry. But you know what? It's really fun to go stomp in those mud puddles too. Freddy likes to do that. Okay, see you tomorrow. Guess what? We're going to do a fun story about 3 little frogs that are playing in the rain. It's going to be really funny. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.